Hey Vancouver, ever noticed your home's air isn't as fresh as it could be? The problem might be your dryer vent. A clogged vent doesn't just make your dryer work harder, it pumps dust, allergens, and even mold back into your air. That's right, your dryer vent could be making you sneeze and cough. Cleaning it out removes all that gunk, improving your air quality and helping you breathe easier. It is a simple step for a big health improvement in your home. So prioritize your health and take action. Contact Right Choice Duct Cleaning. We'll make sure your air is clean and fresh.